Kubor nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Hagasngi bakari India barok kawai kalek kemennya ke Republic di kabahnya Pusan, ke Jingpot sniu jung kong Lili Taryang kabah nakasnong Hawaii boy, kasnong kabadon hakaput India Bangladesh, kabahab ha amlarem CNRD block, West Giant Hills District, kelawan Urlong, Hadin Maklayo ya Ïing kabapura. Kani Ïing kade kabayo na ka PMAY kabalaya Trailang, but ka Giant Hills Development Society, Lyngba ka Kuble Germany, but ki wegi kunhon ki balaya rapan mi pisahado, lailak laipu hajar tingkah. Swabanyo Ïing Thymmai kabalashna itanat bah, da ka dobilat bat lentang, gini ki Kurim ki Jong kisa ha ki Ïing kabajat rathai, kabala sop da ka tin, bat ki dieng klau, bat bamshnga nyeki kamtam panthia bandam artan, baki day hiri teman. Ya kani Ïing la IT ha ka arpun riu tarik, ha ka jingalang kabala Shongkun, kabala donlang additional deputy commissioner bat project director DRDA West Giant Hills uba FB Basan MCS USDO Amlarem Civil Subdivision Amlarem Dr. Abhishek Saini IAS Assistant Commissioner but Amlarem CNRD Block Development Officer GLC Milliam GHDS Director Father Manbha Pakyam Ginong Tre MSRLS Kirkot ka Self-Help Group but Ginong Shong Shnong Kakong Lili Taryang kadon sangut ki khun laingut ki khun kan thai but uwe khun chen rang ka khun khat du jong ka kala khlat no henrai ha ka jinglong teman maka but ukurim kila hab ban ri ban sumari ki laingut ki khun ksiu ka jingrap pisa na ka pradhan mantri awas yojana gramin kalong shilak lai po hajar na ka MGNREGA kalong arpu hajar na ka Kuble Germany shilak nyo po hajar but na ka Pinscam Village Organization shipo hajar.
PE ka Jingnoh ka Surok Barok to Bawan. All of us who travel here have seen how difficult the roads are, sir, and how the cost of the materials are also higher. But in spite of all the challenges faced, sir, the village got together along with the team from MSRLS, the MG team, the drum sevaks. They all got together, sir, and they completed this house. Then apa banai kudesha kisya Barok kisnong misteri ru balak kelar ban pendep ikini Ïing po atayo ban balak pendep sisa. Kubleshi pun kami Ïing kermen kalau berjikut ku di Kongbili the difference yang Ïing bermensua bermentar yang melak subat compare mensua ketika Ïing badon tan kitin berlakia reka the kidin mentar we've got a permanent house. I hope this is a blessing. But apa I Kubleshi siya pada manhat dengan Kubleshi. Thank you so much through Jingnoh Development Society for bringing this such a positive change here. Thank you so much for your initiative. Nalor kata ako I Kubleshi yaki VO kibla Kristom kibla penbiang ikutiar kita jung Ïing kila yarap and decorate ikani to make it a grand event on the 75th Republic Day jung ka Rijumi kala bane hadokani Kubleshi pun iti. But finally ako I Kubleshi kisnong yaki members ng Barok away wala ko operate lang, bala tray lang, ensure ba kanita program is a success. Tangkatan
ngadap dari jing seo kemen ban yo ba kani Ïing kaladap la itnat adap airong bat nan sa airu ya ko kubor syoko Germany ba kila pendap ya kani Ïing ngalayo lagi jong hikmat ngala seo hon ba la pendap bahaya kani Ïing bat ngit scam ba makiru kin sadap dari jing kemen ban yo ba kini kiba syong basa kani Ïing mentah klayo ya Ïing kababahan Ïing kabaitan kaman simban ni Trailang hagino ki kam ki bangile lam da khen ya ka niam lam da khen ya ka jajin riu ni lam da khen kino andre ni khen bangilong baro ki kon jong belai bat kino ki badon kam jingarap kidai kila bandai na kano ka kan hon jajin riu tane kano ka kan hon niam kidai ki badon kam ka jingarap lagi long kano kan hon bat mangi baro nginis no kilang. So it is a pleasure for me, it is a pleasure for JHDS and also for Kuble to see that this house has been completed.
Reminds me of all the work that we used to do and the effort that goes behind in building each and every house. And he has briefed me how difficult it is to build the house, especially seeing the terrain, seeing the roads. Just getting the material is such a big challenge here. So to achieve this and to do this for someone who is so much in need of this, I think that is very special. And today all of you have gathered. I see the whole village has come up, so it shows the cooperative effort by all of you. And I just say that in future also we have a lot of target that as the BDO GAM has to do from the DRD also. So let us all of us achieve the targets that are there, and in future also we are able to build such houses and help the really poor sections of the society who really deserve such houses.
Kadai gaji itu lang, ngim kuah hiru kanong ba, ning supaya ki misteri, supaya kontraktor ban snai ni kiem, kam dia kusa. Gaji tu jengkas skim PMWI kadai ban ailat, ya phi hi utrai Ïing ban yo gaji rap na kaliang Jong kasnong brokoi. Hi minta ki view ki arwai ban jiwai, ba hi minta kilang rap ru. Kendian kasat kata kilap kabor, kasor ki ban yo ban kapun hasyu ni gaji. Jadi aku ni kadai gaji terlang jiwi piwe, aku beli pi. Bagaimana? Bandai sisa dah gaji terlang mengira benrat dengkoi gaji duk. Yaki jing sadin junction kita tahu jingi. Yang bukan kiki beli Lyngba ka block, Lyngba rural development. Rai, apa? Don kami kadai gaji terlang jiwi piwe lagi. Mata kasni jauh gaji kemen. Akhirnya India berakoi. Dan hari ini kasni niladap ban rakhi aku tu ka हमारा संकल्प विकसित भारत ngatre hang ni snong kemla su bonwan rei kadai bangi nitip kum kinong song snong ni ki kilat baka sarkar ka ai na bata juthi ki kilat baka sarkar ka yarap ni pui ya pi haki malagi snong tidak ka bas musi he kalong baka sarkar kalamang bon ki ke nam tak snong chau jing rei bon sin yong a sarat ma sarkar in le nyimla ban pendap ki bon telik Ïing ki sateng bon telik ki break bakwa ki Ïing ki yo andrei bon ki bayo pade mla ban pendat ki Ïing te galong ke ka pasusi si bon haba naglen sarkar ni persang ban ai ya ki jinon kam andrei ni mla ban pendat te ni dei ban shim ya ki kabu ki ban yo khamtam Lyngba ki bawan maki skim sarkar ban pendat menta kan ke Ïing na kerpat di video kam dei ban kut tah ni andrei na I koli litereng I ban rung syang chop jo ka guru ni ada ina pandai kan try ide perlu masuk ke dalam group ide penyo show jirap Lyngba ki gas connection ide penyo jirap show Lyngba penyo kalak Ïing bab kumju kiwi bai pada jirap Kiba ni ai Lyngba ka blok kumju lada kumi Kurim jungi la ide penyo ka ski bam temen ide penyo nak snong jungi ni dei ban warra ya ka jingkela ha snong ki thau